Welcome to Food Vlog of 33. Yo, it's fireworks day. I'll see you at the fireworks. Getting ready for 4th of July. We got some mortars here. We have Roman candles, everything. Mortars, these things will blast so good. I think Vinny wants Roman candles and what else?
Bottle rockets.
Bottle rockets. Oh,
Roman
baby,
candles,
let's get them.
rockets.
Let's get them. Roman candles, bottle rockets. Oh, I love these. These are nice. I love these bottle rockets. Vinny's got the bag. Roman candles. We didn't get no mortars, but we got some good stuff in there.
Oh yeah, baby.
Back at the old Raw Cafe. This place has such good food. Let's get it, baby. Oh, we're getting it. A little vegan. Which one am I getting? Oh, this one right here. This one's good. It has matcha. Oh, baby. So this was a Asia, can't even say the word, fruit bowl, ice cream, toppings, good. And these chips are awesome. Chugging. We got black bean noodles, snow peas, water chestnuts, and a cabbage mix. I stir-fried it with peanut sauce. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 bottle rockets with one of V-Boy's Lego guys taped to it. See how high he can go. And then we're also gonna do his silly sludge and put an M1000 down inside of it.
Oh yeah, baby. And we'll see if the Lego guy will survive. Probably not. Take 2 of slime.
This thing really, as you can see, there's a container. It really went out far actually.
Yeah.
Pieces everywhere. It worked out pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay. That was cool.
That was pretty sweet.
What do you want to try now?
Let's do the bottle rockets.
The dog's crying. She don't like the.
Film her. Come here.
And I see you in that window.
She wants it.
Just let her. Come on, girl. Out. Back to the games.
Bottle rockets, baby!
Okay.
Oh, I see the stick! Oh,
Let me see.
bro, it flew all the way over here!
I wonder where that Lego guy is.
Let's check it over.
Hey, Sean. Make sure you don't get on film that melon back there.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
That's where you put the dead people. Sorry. Mommy's first
Don't hold
bottle
it, don't
rocket
hold it.
of the year.
light
Yeah,
it.
just stand up and just light it. Light the bottom.
Alright, back up.
He's getting nervous.
Watch! I see the stick!
Get the stick.
I lost it! I don't know where it is. I got it.
We should go shoot some off of the pier into the ocean. Just let her, she's venturing.
Alright.
Live the dream, girl. Live the dream. You see the stick? Where is it?
Oh, I missed it.
They stay out there for a while.
Yeah. Oh yeah, sure. You don't want to shoot them into the ocean. Or maybe we can go. Want to do one Roman candle?
Yeah, let's do Roman candle.
Let's just do one. Cops coming to check us out. I saw you. I saw you, police truck. It'd be nice if this was fenced in. Then we could do what we want.
Why you gotta go to the new grass?
Yeah, she wants to check it out.
Come here, girl.
Getting ready for 4th of July, going for a cookout. So we're bringing a couple different little items here. We have peanut butter and jelly with blueberries and honey on vegan toast. And for Ari, we have it's hummus, carrots, avocado, honey mustard, also on vegan toast. And then we have a little bit of a slaw. It has quinoa, carrots, some nuts and seeds. Really good. We're also going to bring some carrot chips for a little hummus dipping. And we have for V-Boy a vegan burrito. It's beans and rice and a corn tortilla. Yeah. And for breakfast, I had 2 scoops of Healthy Meal Herbalife orange cream and 2 scoops protein, baby.
This is my everyday. Obviously, it's already open, sizzling away in there. Raspberry, lemon lime liftoff. Hammer taste. He likes a little sweeter. Pomegranate. Raspberry. Tastes like a juice.
Get that T-bomb, baby.
Now we're talking.
4th of July! Okay, so I got 4 bottle rockets, duct taped them together, and kind of twisted the fuses. Let's see what happens. Maybe I'll get something big out of this. Okay guys, every 4th of July in Florida, it rains. So that is a bummer, okay? So every time we light fireworks, it keeps raining. And also, we're super sunburned. V-Boy's exhausted, so we're gonna move everything till tomorrow. So we're not done yet. We still have tons of stuff to blow up. So you know what to do. Love life, live life to its fullest. You know what time it is. Hammer! Oh!